I would like to welcome you in this new chapter where we are going to be learning about C++ exceptions. Exceptions are a mechanism we have in C++ to make errors show up on the surface and possibly handle them in any conceivable way. We already know a few ways we can handle problems in our C++ programs. For example, we have seen that we can use static asserts to catch problems at compile time. We can use assertions to catch problems at runtime. Or we can even use plain old stdcout statements to print things out when things go wrong. We can do this. But exceptions are a built-in feature to help you handle errors and do that conveniently. I have to say that C++ exceptions are a big feature that divides the community in two. Some people love them, some people hate them. I am going to show you how they work in this chapter, and I am going to leave the decision to you whether you should use them or not in your C++ program, because sometimes the decision is not going to be yours to make, so you need to be aware of this feature here. Exceptions are powered by a try and catch block we can put in our code, and the setup is like what you see here. We say try, and in this try block we're going to put in code that we think might be problematic. And when something goes wrong, we are going to throw an error or an exception, and we are going to learn about all these details. So don't worry about now, we are just getting started. And when the error is thrown, you can handle it in a catch block. So when something goes wrong, C++ is wired in a way that it is going to move control in a catch block, and you can handle the problem here. And your program is not going to have unrecoverable errors that would otherwise cause for it to crash. We are going to start in the next lecture and actually see how you can set up a try and catch block and catch some problems in your C++ program. Go ahead and finish up here and meet me there.